Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Friday, July 16th, 2010, and I've got a party to go to for my wife's birthday, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. Check this out. Quick look at the Dow Jones Industrial Averages 6-month chart. Each candlestick is 1 day. The day that the market was down 261 points, and you gotta love that if you've been following us. And if you have been arguing with us, well, you don't love it so much. But guess what? There's still time for you to make some coin. You don't have to be a complete loser in this market. You can just follow the charts, and the charts say there's still time here to short, even on Monday morning. Check this out. Still overbought. Don't argue with the chart, just trade with it, not against it. That's how you make money consistently in this market. Yeah, see? Right there. Yeah, we've been doing this for a while. And it's free. Yeah, you can't beat that. Okay, why is it breaking down now and why so bad? Well, it basically goes back to the fundamentals. Second quarter earnings is what the bulls have been betting on, and as of this week, uh, they've had Intel did well. Everybody else didn't. And even those that quote unquote, the news tried to pump it and say they didn't do that great. JP Morgan, they fudged their data a little bit to make it look better than it was. But Google underperformed, Citi underperformed, Bank of America underperformed. All of it is pointing back to consumers, and that's, basically if people don't have jobs, they don't buy stuff. So no big shock here, okay? But going back to the fundamental core issues, and that's going to drive markets lower. You'll notice we've got lower series of highs right here, okay? Very bearish when you've got the market bounced up here, pulled back down, hit a new low, okay? Still in a downtrend. Now we bounced back up here and didn't even break out to a new high. There's nothing bullish about this chart. It's in an overall downtrend, okay? Yes, downtrend. Okay, that's what's coming next. All right, you're going to go lower. So, at short, hold your shorts, add to shorts, that kind of stuff. If you're being told by somebody out there to go long, that guy probably needs to go back to chart school. Okay, awesome. Quick look at the FTSE, very bearish still, and you'll notice a big bad inverted hammer onto today's activity or last night's activity, however you want to see it. Ultimately, it's a sell signal. You shouldn't have sell signals showing up if it's a bull move. It's a good bullish trend, and it's not. So you can short this guy, and we did that 3 days ago. And you'll notice again, you're still overbought, so there's still plenty of time to pile on. Yeah, no reason to do anything other than short. The Nasdaq 6-month chart, each candlestick is 1 day, 70 points to the downside today. Gotta love that if you're a bear. Gotta cry a little bit if you're a bull. You got owned. We have filled this first gap that we talked about yesterday. We do have another one still down here, and that's gonna have to get filled. You do have one to the upside here, but we'll talk about that later. This is not one to be concerned with. There's nothing up here to hold this market up. And even if you were going to give this 1 point to the bulls and say there's a gap up here that's got to fill, that's one reason to be a bull, and I've got about 15 to be a bear. So the odds are stacked totally in favor of bears. Stay short or go short. Right here, still overbought, plenty of time, right? Awesome. Okay. Anything else? Oh, yes. If you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, 100% free, amazingly accurate, and we explain why. Okay, so you actually get an education as you make money. So you just can't go wrong with that. Okay, 100% free. All we ask in return, refer a friend. It's that simple. And subscribe to the YouTube channel, or we'll hit you with a stick. Okay, awesome. Also, right now you can not subscribe. You can go to our website. Let's go there right quick. Okay, here we are on our awesome little free website for you, and you can see all kinds of cool stuff here for you, including our blog and all our stuff, and stock alerts and all that stuff. And if you go over here to the corner, dun dun dun, live trading course. If you go there, read up on that. Right now we're accepting anybody who wants to sign up for that. It starts 2nd of August, so you can sign up now for August's class. Also, because it's the 16th and half of the current class is already over, when you sign up for August, we go ahead and let you in for the rest of July, just for, because you're cool and we got spare room in there, so go ahead. Only problem is that thing only holds 200 people, so it's first come, first serve, bottom line, all right? You got all weekend, sign up, enjoy the weekend, God bless, let's keep making that money, and have a look at our disclaimer. In all seriousness, the information provided here is our opinion only. All right, read it and weep. And congratulations, everybody has been following along and learning as they go. You're making tons of money consistently, and that's what the game is all about because you're working with smart money, not against it, right? Work with the chart in your favor. It makes all the difference.